It does run backwards to
Always
standard
run right.
direction. Yeah.
Always run right on there.
Yeah.
They're running reverse.
Well, like the curved spoke flywheels, you know, guys have big arguments about which way those should go, because once upon a time everybody just started putting them on facing a certain direction, but all the literature, different factories, just as long as they both face the same way on the engine when it rolled out the door, that's all they cared about. And sewing machines, everybody's like, oh, sewing machines turn one way. No, they turn the Singer direction, because Singer won the war. If it's not a Singer from before World War II, it probably turns the other direction. Yup, because white sewing machines, they were the other big manufacturer before World War II, so they made sure and turned the other way, so you'd always know that it wasn't a Singer. Wow. Where is the new way from? Is that Michigan? The Michigan? Okay.
Michigan, Iowa, Ohio, Illinois.
Yup.
That's what I got this time.
Well, you know, being from Wisconsin on the west side, I go to Iowa a lot, so, you know, there's tons of all the associated engines out that way.
Oh, yeah, I don't have any trouble.
But,
I just got a big 7-horse CH&E vertical.
Okay.
In Milwaukee, that's very rare. Very few of them around on a big vertical.
Yeah.
Gotta be around next year somewhere.
Cool. Yeah, I know. The tough part is hauling those things around, you know. It's nice when they're on a cart so you can get them around.
All mine I put on a cart, but otherwise you can't move them.
There, if I do that, it won't wave in front of the lens like it was.
You need to come in here, you can come inside.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah. That Foos, that's the original implements tag on it.
It was made in Ohio and shipped to Omaha to sell by that implement company.
Right.
That engine sat in the guy's barn for 25 years and never ran it. I brought it home and yesterday was the first day it ran.
Oh, wow.
All I did was put a cart under it.
Wow. It's a nice cart.
Thank you. That big one over there, that's made in South Illinois, that's an air motor. They make the windmill.
Right. I was going to say that's the signature fluted hopper for the Aeromotor. Yeah.
That was an excellent thing.
Where did Aeromotor was out in?
Chicago.
Okay.
It's funny, the gentleman over here, the older guy, his father had that engine.
Okay.
Garage blowing when he was a little kid. Then somebody bought it. And then someone over here bought it, and then they was a friend of mine. He had a crank made. I got it from him. And the one that his great grandfather was the one that had it. He used to be on this corner every year.
Ah.
So we've been around the family for about 4 different owners.
Nice. Is that Aeromotor running on LP then?
I got it running on propane.
Okay.
It'll run on gas too if I switch it over in front.
Okay.
I built it so I can run either.
Wow, propane is just so much cleaner than gasoline.
Smoother, don't knock as hard.
Yeah. Well, and then you don't have to be cleaning plugs and cleaning points and cleaning igniters and all that. I got some of those model engines from China, and you know, they got little plugs in them.
Yep.
And there's nothing you can do. They just foul every few hours of operation.
Gas you buy today.
So,
These three run on gasoline, but I put octane in them. I buy them for the Harley.
yeah.
I pour that in the gas. That helps.
I just use white gas, camp gas.
Oh yeah, my buddy does too, but that's expensive.
It's real expensive to get gas that cheap. It's real expensive because you know that's what that white gas is. It's old style, super cheap gasoline.
That's gone up in price in the last
Oh
couple
yeah.
of years. Out of town though. Two of my videos were bought by the Travel Channel last time though. Two of my videos. Try it? Watermelon. Really good. That's watermelon.
I was gonna say it's pouring gas out the bottom, so I don't know if it's.
A little too much there, maybe.
I was gonna say it's making a little whiff out there. Looks like it's still warm. Did it quit on you? And you got
quit, I don't know why.
Ah. Yeah.
There we go.
I was gonna say, it sounds a lot happier now.
It quit for some reason, I don't know why. I went out to Montana 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Bought an ox to come out of a bull mine.
Oh, okay.
Didn't know. It was all rust. I found a little bit of paint. underneath the belly there, I knew it was red. That's why.
Oh yeah. Well, it looks real nice in that red, so.
Well, that's what it's supposed to be. That's what it looked like in the museum right here.
Oh wow.
No paint on it. When I took it apart and I